Hey, hi friends. In today's video, we are going to learn how do you go about changing your email ID for the YouTube channel. Now, very important to understand when we say change the email ID for YouTube channel, we are changing the email ID which is viewed by the businesses and end viewers who want to reach out to you for any collaboration or business inquiries, right? So you go on to your channel, click view your channel, right? Customize channel. Once you click on this, so basically you can see your profile where you can edit everything, and if you scroll down you can see contact info. Now over here you can mention the email ID whatever you want to mention, right? And click on publish. Now you can see over here it's mentioned let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. The email address you enter may appear in the about section. So this is not your YouTube Gmail account which is linked for creating. This is just for reaching out to you, and this is visible when anyone visits your profile, right? So if anyone visits my profile, they can see my email ID over here, right? So this is my email ID. So this is the one which we are changing, right? We are not changing the account linked one. This is for the channel, right? So in this way you can just change your email ID and click on publish, and then it will get updated on your channel. Hope this was useful. For any further queries pertaining to this, you can drop a comment. Do like and subscribe to the channel if you are finding it useful. Thanks for viewing.